So, have you ever supported the DJ industry as a whole? Have you ever thought about that? How, what you do, what you buy, how you talk about those people help or hurt the industry? Hi, I'm Bill. This is I'm with the Entertainment Experience. This is Creative License. Thanks for being a part of the show. Once again, support my sponsors, if you don't mind. Entertainment Experience, my workshop, which is entertainment-experience.com, and of course the amazing equipment and products of Electro Voice. So when it comes to this, I kind of got going about it with a friend of mine on Facebook. Well, I saw the thing on Facebook and I called him. And people talk about the people who do stuff in the industry. You've heard of DJ News. I'm a part of DJ News, right? Mobile Beat Magazine, the DJ Times, Midwest DJs Live, Arms DJ, workshops, trainings, books, and newsletters, and videos, and all kinds of things that are out there in an effort to help the industry. People are putting their knowledge, their support, they're putting out themselves to really help the industry, help you, because you are the industry, right? And then I hear things like, well, I'm going to support the industry, but I'm not going to support that one because that one's not very good. I don't like that workshop because that's not good. Or I don't like this book because that's not a good thing. Or this conference is bad and that conference is bad. Here's the problem with that. These people that put these things together are doing it usually at a loss, or they're not making much money at all. And they do it to actually support this industry. And it's not much of an industry as it is. So when we don't do our best to get behind them, what they do, then we're not helping the industry, we're actually hurting the industry. Even if, in fact, one conference falls below your standards, that conference is still doing great work for people. It really is. Somebody's out there teaching, they fall below your standards, but they're still out there working. And there's very few people that are out there trying to make a difference in the industry. So my take, support them all. Support them all. Push and help everybody you can as often as possible. And quit saying bad things about them, because they're going to go away. And if they go away, then we don't have anybody out there helping an industry that is having a difficult time being an industry anyway. What do you think about this? Put your comments down or reach out to me. At the very least, keep watching my videos if you wouldn't mind. This is Creative License. I'm Bill Herman, and I'll see you next time. Bye.